Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, finally the big breakout came on gold yesterday. Just see the size of the candle here. We discussed about the possibility of a reversal here because market was trading in a very crucial range. But I also told you guys to be very careful, not careful, very careful, because this particular zone was extremely crucial. Okay, and whenever market is in transition mode, you should always be careful because see, many of you made good amount of money when gold was falling. You took sell or you were sitting on a sell position, you made good money. But those who took fresh selling position here, okay, or entered on the middle of the chart, they are stuck or they lost their money because they could not understand the transition and importance of levels. So yesterday, why it was important for us to observe the market? Because market was trading around the very important 4,000 level. Okay, and buyers obviously they were not ready to surrender. They took the market up. Okay, and today also we need to be a little bit careful because yes, structurally we can see the market is going up. We can see higher highs and higher lows, but okay, the weekly closing is going to be very important. So let's discuss one by one. Okay, so first of all, market close the level of 4120 with a big candle, massive candle, so clear cut breakout. Then we also discussed that market needs to break 4200 for the market to be bullish, and yes, we can see the market cross 4200 as well. Okay, it made a high of 4245. So right now, what is the structure of the market here? The structure of the market is positive. Okay, but one thing we need to focus here is that, okay, fundamentals. As we all know, fundamentals on gold, okay, has been changing very frequently. As a result, okay, the trend of the market changes, okay, twice or thrice a week. So things are not very stable right now because of the war going on. But in this situation, yes, we can expect that market may be bullish. Okay, so do we have a complete trend reversal? If you're looking for an answer, then the answer is, I will say partly yes, because the weekly closing is going to be very important. Why? Listen to me carefully. If market closes above 4200 or 4250, then we can expect that next week overall the market will be bullish. So everything depends on the weekly closing right now. So if market closes above 4200, 4250 today, then we can expect next week market will be bullish and we can expect more recovery. But in case market closes below 4200 or the weekly closing is below 4200, then things are dicey again. The trend of the market for the coming week will not be clear and we can expect a sideways market or a choppy market, mildly bearish but choppy market. Selling pressure is there on the market that we cannot deny. But as a day trader, today the market seems to be bullish, but keep in mind overall trend is not positive right now. If you are confused right now regarding the trend of the market, okay, sorry, I cannot help because market is in transition right now. Just wait for the weekly closing. If it closes above 4200, 4250, we can expect the coming week to be bullish. If it closes below it, we will get a sideways market. That's it. Okay. Now, let's discuss the trading opportunities for the day. If you look at the economic calendar, we can see today we do not have any major news. So still we need to be careful because today is Friday. Okay, and as we all know, my dear friends, Fridays can be dangerous because sometimes we see crazy movements and market forgets logic. If something like that happens, you can just stop trading and enjoy with your friends and family. Okay. But before the craziness or US session, if market comes down, we can look for a support around 4120, 4115. Why? Because we can see the price action is more or less doing a pretty good job. Because see, here, see, if you're a beginner, this is how you can learn. Okay, see, the previous support worked as resistance here. Similarly, the previous previous resistance work as support here. So we can see the overall price action is doing a fine job. So if market drops, yes, there is a possibility market may go down also. Why? Because market is, again you can see, forming small highs here. Means market is forming lower highs. This is how you can identify. Okay. Okay. Anyways, okay, if market drops, okay, we can look for support around 412015. Why? Because the previous resistance will be working as support. If you want to go for a sell below the support here around 4180, it's up to you, but personally I will not suggest selling opportunity because market is showing signs of trend reversal here. Signs of trend reversal here, not confirmed yet. For example, if market drops suddenly, boom, okay, you take a sell position, and before exiting, if market recovers again, you will be stuck. That is a problem when there is a transition in the market, and transitions are always confusing. Okay, so we can look for a buy around this particular zone here. In case market drops with high selling pressure, you can just go for a quick selling below 4180, 4175. Okay, and as market is showing, okay, possibility of a trend reversal, okay, yeah, possibility of a trend reversal, we can expect a breakout as well. Okay, so during the day, okay, during the day, now again listen to me carefully. Okay, during the day, if you see the market is consolidating around 4245, 4225, means just look at the arrow here. Okay, if you see market is trading like this, it means that market is in consolidation. So after consolidation, if market goes up, if market breaks the range, we can look for a breakout. Because for a breakout or breakdown, what is important? Consolidation. Okay, because if the move starts from here, for example, if you see market going up from 4180, then there is a high chance that, okay, it will be a false breakout. But if the move starts from 4230, 4240, there is a possibility of a strong breakout. So if market breaks the level of 424546 after some consolidation, we can look for a buy at breakout as well. So to be honest, okay, today on the chart of gold, I see 2.5 trading opportunity. The first trading opportunity is buying around 4120, 4115 if market comes for retracement. And as the market is forming small lower highs right now, so there is a chance the market may drop suddenly. If you are a scalper, experienced scalper, you can also look for a sell below 4180, 4175 as well. Personally, I have no plans. Okay, and after some consolidation around 4225, 4245 area, we can expect a breakout. Be careful if the breakout move starts from 4200, 4180, otherwise it may be a false breakout as well. Again repeating, my dear friend, if you are stuck in a sell position right now, wait for the weekly closing, because right now market is in transition. Yes, market is successfully holding the 4000 support area, but still the trend of the market for the coming week is not clear to us. If market closes above 4200, 4250, we can expect a bullish week. Okay, but in case market closes below it, okay, then we can expect that market will be sideways next week. Okay, and ultimately you can expect a downside as well, because overall the pressure on the chart of gold is still there, and as long as the war is going on, okay, and as long as there is no peace deal between USA and Iran, okay, pressure will be there on oil, and as long as oil is under pressure, okay, gold will be under pressure as well. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Be careful and keep in mind, okay, during the US session or just before the closing, okay, if market, okay, gets crazy, do not trade. Okay, do not trade, save your capital, do not gamble. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.